Hi, I'm John Cannon, your fierce advocate with Cannon and Associates. And today I'm going to be explaining to you the different types of court-martials in the United States military, whether it's the Air Force, Army, Navy, Marines, or Coast Guard. These are the types of court-martials that are available for your commander or for your criminal charges. They come from the Uniform Code of Military Justice. It applies to all the branches, but there's more specifics for each branch. So first off, we have the lowest level, which is the summary court-martial. In the Navy, it's typically referred to as a captain's mass. It is the least serious. You can't have a reduction in rank, but it's typically conducted by one officer, one military judge, and does not have a panel proceeding. Has the least potential negative outcome. Second is the special court-martial convening authority. This is typically conducted by a major or lieutenant colonel, and that is a panel board. It's typically referred to as a misdemeanor court-martial because the offenses that can be charged in a special court-martial only carry up to 1 year of confinement. However, they can result in a bad conduct discharge. You also can have your rank reduced to E1. You can have multiple forfeitures of finances and other matters that can negatively impact your future career or your eligibility for benefits when you get out of the military. And finally, we have the general court-martial, or the GCM, which is the most serious type of court-martial action. This is equivalent to a felony trial in federal or state criminal court. The charges in a general court-martial carry up to years in prison, some offenses even carrying life with the death penalty in rare circumstances. In a general court-martial convening authority, there's a panel of multiple officers, multiple enlisted members that will be deciding the outcome of your case. And it's, again, the beyond reasonable doubt standard, just like in state court or federal court proceedings, but the unanimous aspect is different in court-martial proceedings. That's an important thing to keep in mind. Additionally, all of these can result in you being kicked out of the military. All of these can negatively impact your security clearance and can prohibit you from seeking employment in federal service beyond your military career. It's important that you retain an attorney, a competent military defense attorney, to help you with these matters. Myself and my associate, Doug Elliott, are both JAG attorneys and will be happy to sit down with you and speak to you in more detail about these issues. Hope this has answered your questions. If you have any more, please visit our website, jpcannonlawfirm.com, for more information about military defense and how we can be your fierce advocate.